Hi, today I will show you how to draw a mother and a baby bird. These are today's objectives. These are the steps for this drawing. Materials needed: paper, black marker, crayons or pencil color. First step, draw a branch. The second step is to start drawing the baby bird. Now we add the beak, eye, wing, and tail. Now we start drawing the large bird. Add the eye, beak, and tail. Now finish the large bird with wings and feet. Now we fill the top right corner with a branch. Add clouds in the space left over. Now we reach the most enjoyable part: trace with a black marker and color properly. After you're done with your artwork, open your OneNote to submit your work. Thank you and goodbye.